Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for grade 6. Here I am teacher Mrs. Navla, and today I am going to teach you pages 86 and 87 for the topic of possessive pronouns. During our today's lesson, the students will learn the varying forms of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives, and also they will get an idea about the nominative case. My dear students, as you know, I, he, she, it, you, we, they, these are the subjective case of pronouns. Grammatically, we also call them nominative because these pronouns nominate a significant or specific person or thing or place here. I, he, she, it, you, we, they, these are also known as nominative case, and their respective or corresponding objective case will be me, him, or her, it, you, us, them, and possessive my, mine, his, her, hers, its, you, yours, our, ours, their, theirs. So this is just a brief structure of nominative cases, objective cases, and possessive cases of pronouns. Here is another illustration. It will give you a complete idea about personal pronouns. As I told you moments ago that personal pronouns means subject pronouns are also called nominative pronouns here. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are personal pronouns. Their possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. And possessive pronouns will be for I, it will be mine, you. Possessive pronoun will be yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs for their respective personal pronouns. On page 86, we have two exercises. For exercise A, my dear students, please read each sentence. On the line provided, write whether the underlined pronoun is nominative, objective, or possessive. Number 1. Michaela accidentally dropped her coins in the dark theater. So our answer will be possessive. The underlined pronoun her is possessive. Please write possessive on the line. Number 2. They must have rolled away. The underlined pronoun is they, and this is nominative. Number 3. Connor helped Michaela look for them. The underlined pronoun is them. Them, them is already underlined in the book, but we have to tell whether it is nominative, objective, or possessive. So this them is an objective. Number 4. He found a quarter under the seats in the front row. He, it is an underlined pronoun. So according to the lesson, so this will be a nominative pronoun. Write nominative on the line. Number 5. Connor picked up the coin and gave it to Michaela. This it is underlined and it is an objective. So far we have done exercise A of page 86. Now we will proceed to exercise B. Here we will read each sentence and then write the possessive pronoun on the line. Very simple. Only you have to read the sentence and you will find where is the possessive pronoun. You will write that possessive pronoun same on the line which is given in the book. For number 6, I am going to read the sentence. Michaela found her nickels in the aisle. Please write her on the line. Michaela thanked Connor for his help. His, please write his on the line. It is a possessive pronoun. Number 8. She handed Connor his hat and gloves. His will be the answer. Number 9. The two friends put on their coats. There is a possessive pronoun. Number 10. Next time put your change away, said Connor. Your is a possessive pronoun. That will be our answer for question number 10. For page 87, we are going to deal with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns here. For example, if I say a sentence, this is my computer. This is my computer. In case I want to shorten the number of words, so I can say, it is mine. It is mine. So now I will not say it is mine computer. That will be wrong. The same way, if I say here, This is your bag. This is your bag. So while using the possessive pronoun, you will say this is yours. This is yours. This is my book. So my is a possessive adjective, and this book is mine. Mine will be possessive pronoun here. Like for my, it will be mine. Your, yours. His, his. Her, hers. Its. Okay, we avoid using its alone as a possessive pronoun. Our, ours. Their, theirs. So there is an instruction for page 87. We have got 8 questions. You must be clear about the question statement. First of all, read each pair of sentences. In the second sentence, choose the correct possessive pronoun in parentheses and write it on the line. For question number 1, as I told you earlier, there will be a pair of sentences. Yes, we have got a pair of sentences. This is her jacket. Okay. This jacket is. Now for the answer, we have got 2 options, hers or her. This jacket is hers. Now hers is a possessive pronoun, so that will be our answer. You will circle it and also write on the line. Number 2, Mark said this is his backpack. Mark said this is his. Mark said this is his. Number 3, is this your project? Is this your project? And the second sentence of question number 3, is this project yours? Is this project yours? Please circle yours and also write yours on the line. Number 4, this huge poster belongs to Abigail and Mark. This huge poster is theirs. This huge poster is theirs. So this theirs will be the answer because it is a possessive pronoun. Number 5, if you forget to bring markers, you may borrow my markers. And the second sentence for question number 5, I'm going to read. If you forget to bring markers, you may borrow mine. So please circle mine and also write it on the line. Number 6, these are our papers. These are our papers. These papers are ours. These papers are ours. So ours is a possessive pronoun. Please write it and circle it as well. Number 7, I found my homework on the table. I found my homework on the table. And the second sentence of question number 7, I found mine on the table. So now this mine is a possessive pronoun. I found mine on the table. So this mine means my homework. Mine is equal to my homework. Number 8, has Lorenzo found his homework? Has Lorenzo found his? Has Lorenzo found his? So here his means his homework. So that will be our answer for question number 8. So my dear students, your homework is to revise the exercise of page 86 and 87 and do the practice of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives in complete detail. Also try to read any short story and find the maximum number of possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Hopefully you will do the practice. Thank you very much and see you next time.